What is up everyone? It's Bernie of Finery Philosophy. Today we're going to be unboxing the Yeezy 350 Boost Beluga V2, the one that just released in December 18th, 2021. I had just got them on the 27th, 10 days after I ordered them because of the holidays. I got them on the Confirmed app. So that was pretty awesome. I got the notification that I was selected for the drawing. There's yeezysupply.com, and if you follow them on Instagram, they will let you know what the upcoming drops are going to be. Download yourself the Confirmed Adidas app, Foot Locker app, and the Champ Sports app. These three actually carry Yeezys. You can see their upcoming releases. It's more complex with Foot Locker and Champs. There are these things called head starts, which gives you like a higher chance of winning, but I think that means like you have to purchase a lot from Foot Locker. So just go to releases for both the apps. Foot Locker and Champs are quite similar. Just put your name, card, and if you get selected, you pick up the shoes in store. They have that option, or they will have it delivered to your home or wherever, shipped to you. We should get to unboxing. I've been saving this for this video. I wanted you guys to unbox this with me, get a first look. As always, Adidas will have that security seal on the box. I'm so excited for these shoes. These are the first V2s that came out. The first colorway V2 that came out in 2016. I accidentally swiped the box with the scissors. I mean, it's not that bad, but I can... Why did I do that? Okay, you guys, here they are! Oh my gosh, how exciting! 350 Beluga Yeezys, size 6.5. That's my size converted to men's on Adidas. Interesting. It looks like someone... Oh my gosh, this is what they look like on hand. It smells like the shoebox. Okay, well, let's get the other shoe. Getting a little too excited. Ta-da! Okay, I thought this would be more olive in person, but I was wrong. They're not. Kind of. Sorry, I'm just like... This is a first unboxing video with you guys, so I'm just like taking my time to really appreciate them. These don't have the pull tab. They have the boost. Look at all that knitting, that detail, the texture. They were saying to go half a size up. I'm gonna try them on without socks. Ooh, they do fit snug. Do they look huge on me? Look, my toe is literally right here. I don't have socks on. The back of my heel. They're nice. Oh my god, they're so nice. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna show you. I absolutely love these shoes. They're bringing me back so much nostalgia. It's a very shaping look. I know you're tired of loving with nobody to love. Nobody. Okay, So you guys, I actually ran out of space on my other memory card. when I was doing the unboxing, but I actually have a better setup. I purchased this clothing rack and this stool. This was my vision. Like, I would be styling clothes and you could see the shoes if I go like this, if I put my feet up. So they're both Adidas brand. You don't need Yeezys. I'm giving you an alternative shoe to wear these outfits with. So I hope that's helpful. I do want to let you know that I will be listing everything down in the description box. I'll try to find discount codes because I'm very into that, like money saving, coupons. If you're a student or a medical professional or in the military, you get discounts for a lot of places. So I use Rakuten as a cashback extension. What I just do is I have an account, it's free, no catch. You simply earn rewards by shopping online. Well, you earn cashback by shopping online. And it accumulates every 4 months. They send that money to your PayPal, which you can deposit into your account. Disclaimer, so these are Nike joggers, Nike sweatpants, but I will send an alternative pair from Banana Republic that's actually way cheaper and they're on sale, and they also come in petite sizes, so the petite girls, so we can keep it going. Oh my, look at her, look at this outfit. Even with the boost, you guys, it's so cute. styling portion, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Just want to give side-by-side comparison of the Ultraboosts and the Yeezy Boost 350s. These retail for about $180. They're very comfy, perfect for every day. I actually wear them to work. Again, I just got super lucky. I honestly would not pay resale for these shoes. I think they're such a classic, nostalgic pair of shoes. They're both very comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, this is more comfy just because these are technically running shoes. That's why they have that shape. I think it was in 2016 when these weren't really that popular, but then Kanye West started wearing them and all of a sudden people were all about them. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate it. It's 2022. It's the second day of 2022. Whatever it is you want, you go get it, manifest it. I've just been wanting to make these videos. I know some people are gonna be like, oh my god, everyone's trying to be an influencer. Everyone's trying to be a content creator. Okay, can you do it? You try editing, you try using Final Cut Pro. But yeah, if you guys really like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe. I literally have only 19 subscribers at this moment. I just want to give a shout out to my recent subscribers. Okay, my mom subscribed to me. Estrella, one of my sister's good friends. So I got some youngsters up in this channel. Hello, welcome. Nina, I'm pretty sure this is Nina S that I went to middle school with. Thank you so much, Nina. I really appreciate that. And my cousin Vienna. Thank you, Ate Vienna. She's in the Philippines. I miss her so much. So yeah, guys, I'm looking forward to making more videos for you. If you think there could be more improvements, please give me constructive criticism down in the comments below. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.